Love cooking but hate the effort that comes with it? Your kitchen is about to get a whole lot easier. These clever gadgets handle the chopping, mixing, and cleanup so you can enjoy the results without all the work. Check the links in the description to grab your favorites. Make fresh donuts at home or for your small business with this automatic donut maker. It fries 4 donuts at a time and can produce up to 1,750 donuts per hour. Adjust the thickness with 5 settings to get the perfect size every time. The LED control panel makes temperature and cooking easy, while automatic flipping ensures even frying without overcooking. Built from food-grade stainless steel, it's durable, safe, and simple to clean. Upgrade your seasoning game with this electric salt and pepper grinder. Just flip it and let the one-handed operation grind fresh spices instantly. The adjustable ceramic core lets you control coarseness for perfect flavor every time. A built-in warm LED light shows exactly where your seasoning lands, and it runs quietly under 60 decibels. Compact, durable, and battery-powered, it's perfect for kitchen counters, dinner tables, or even outdoor picnics. Turn plain water into sparkling refreshment in seconds with the Terra Sparkling Water Maker. Just snap in the reusable bottle and press the carbonation button. No electricity needed. The bundle includes 3 CO2 cylinders, so you can fizz again and again. Its cordless, quick-connect design makes changing cylinders fast and hassle-free. Eco-friendly and stylish, it saves single-use bottles while letting you enjoy fresh, fizzy drinks anytime at home. Make cup cleaning effortless with this high-pressure glass rinser. Just press a cup down and let the 360 degrees rotating spray wash it thoroughly in seconds. The pull-out nozzle extends to reach every corner of your sink, making it perfect for bottles, mugs, or sports cups. Built with stainless steel and durable ABS, it stands up to daily use without wearing out. Quick to install, it's ideal for home kitchens, bars, or cafes. Start your mornings right with this 4-cup egg pan. Cook 4 eggs, pancakes, or even small burgers at the same time, saving you prep time. The non-stick granite surface makes flipping and cleaning effortless while keeping your food safe and healthy. It heats evenly, so everything cooks perfectly without burning. Compact, durable, and compatible with gas or induction stoves, it's a versatile must-have for any breakfast. Make egg prep effortless with this versatile slicer. It cuts hard-boiled eggs neatly in 3 different ways: slices, wedges, or cubes, so every salad, sandwich, or garnish looks perfect. The stainless steel blades handle soft fruits and veggies too, from strawberries to cherry tomatoes. Just place, press, and you're done. Cleanup is simple, and its compact design makes storage a breeze. Make breakfast fun and mess-free with this pancake batter dispenser. Just fill it, squeeze, and pour perfectly round pancakes, muffins, or cupcakes every time. The ergonomic handle gives you control, while the fail-safe valve keeps batter off your hands and counters. It works for waffles, crepes, brownie mix, and even sauces, giving you endless kitchen creativity. Cleanup is easy, and the compact design stores neatly for your next brunch. Say goodbye to warm drinks with this instant beverage chiller. It cools cans and bottles in just minutes, so your soda or beer is always refreshingly cold. The compact design fits most 12 and 16-ounce drinks, perfect for kitchens, bars, or on-the-go parties. No mess, no foaming, just fast, efficient chilling every time. Take it to picnics, BBQs, or tailgates, and enjoy ice-cold drinks wherever you are. Upgrade your kitchen with this 3-in-1 cold press juicer. It makes fresh juice, creamy nut milk, or healthy frozen fruit sorbets with ease. The extra wide chute fits whole fruits and veggies, cutting prep time in half. With a huge 100-ounce hopper, you can juice for the whole family in one go. Cleanup is simple, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a sleek, modern design that looks great on your counter. Why wait in line for a breakfast sandwich when you can make your own at home? This sandwich maker cooks eggs, melts cheese, and warms bread, all in one compact device. You get to choose your favorite ingredients, from muffins to croissants, for a custom sandwich every time. It works fast, ready to eat in about 5 minutes. Cleanup is a breeze too, with dishwasher-safe parts and non-stick surfaces. Turn your kitchen into a mini bakery with this 3-in-1 treat maker. Swap plates to bake cake pops, cupcakes, or donuts in just one appliance. The non-stick surfaces make popping treats out easy, and cleanup is simple with dishwasher-safe plates. Its compact design keeps it stable while you work, and the cord wraps neatly for storage. Perfect for experimenting with flavors or gifting freshly baked treats to friends. Tired of juggling knives and boards? These 2-in-1 kitchen scissors handle it all. Use them as shears for soft foods, or switch to the built-in cutting board for harder veggies and cheese. The stainless steel blades stay sharp while the ergonomic handle keeps your hand comfortable. A safety lock keeps everything secure when not in use, and cleanup is simple in the dishwasher. Prep salads, snacks, and meals faster with one clever tool. Craving fresh pasta without the fuss? This compact pasta maker kneads and extrudes perfect noodles in under 20 minutes. It comes with 3 classic shaping discs for spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, giving you smooth, consistent results every time. You can experiment with different flours or add eggs, herbs, or veggie juices for unique flavors. Its space-saving design fits right on your counter, and built-in storage keeps the discs handy. Fresh pasta has never been this easy. Stop wrestling with cherry pits and make your prep a breeze. This cherry pitter lets you push out pits in just 1 second with a simple squeeze. Its ergonomic handle fits comfortably in your hand, and the splash guard keeps juice off your counter. You can pit cherries, jujubes, or red dates quickly, making baking and snacking effortless. When you're done, it rinses clean easily and locks up for tidy storage. Peeling peanuts just got way easier. This automatic peanut sheller cracks and separates shells in seconds, saving your fingers from the hassle. You can pop in a handful at a time and let it do the work while you relax. Cleanup is simple. Just rinse and air dry for the next round. It's perfect for snacking, baking, or sharing with friends without the mess. Cold food at a party is never fun. This extra-large warming mat keeps dishes perfectly heated right on your countertop. 9 temperature settings and a 6-hour timer let you control the heat without overcooking. The flexible silicone surface is easy to wipe clean, safe to touch, and works with most plates. From tortillas to sourdough, it's a simple way to keep every meal warm and ready to enjoy. Tired of standing over the stove stirring sauces and soups? This automatic pan stirrer does it for you. Just place it in your pot, press a button, and it spins on its own, moving forward and backward to keep everything smooth. 3 speed settings let you control the pace, with LED lights showing which speed you're on. Heat-safe legs protect your pan, and it's cordless for hands-free cooking. Standing over the stove stirring non-stop can get tiring fast. This automatic pan stirrer takes over the job for you. Just place it in the pot, press the button, and it gently rotates to keep sauces, soups, or porridge moving. 3-speed settings let you control how fast it stirs, while small LED lights show the level you're using. The heat-safe legs work safely on most pans, so you can cook hands-free. Waiting hours for popsicles to freeze can test anyone's patience. This quick pop maker turns juice, yogurt, or smoothies into frozen treats in just minutes. Pour in your mixture, insert the sticks, and watch 3 pops form right on the counter. The included tool helps slide them out easily when they're ready. Drip guards keep hands clean, so you can enjoy homemade pops without the sticky mess. Chopping vegetables shouldn't feel like a full workout. This multifunction cutter turns prep time into a quick and easy task. Swap the stainless steel blades to slice, shred, grate, or chop fruits and vegetables in seconds. The built-in basket lets you rinse and drain everything in the same container, saving you extra dishes. A non-slip base and handguard keep things safe while you work. Lumps in your drink can ruin the moment. This self-stirring mug fixes that with the press of a button. A small motor at the base spins a hidden propeller that quickly mixes coffee, cocoa, protein shakes, or tea. No spoon needed, just watch your drink swirl perfectly smooth. The lid helps prevent spills, and when you don't need the mixer, it works just like a regular mug. Rinsing fruits and vegetables doesn't have to turn your sink into a mess. This multifunction drain basket makes washing and draining quick and simple. Just place it over the sink, rinse your produce, and the water flows right through the built-in filter holes. You can also use it to drain pasta, thaw frozen food, or air dry utensils. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. It's a small kitchen helper you'll end up using every day. Passing dishes around a crowded table can get chaotic fast. This expandable lazy turntable puts every dish within easy reach. Just give it a gentle spin and the food comes straight to you. The modular design lets you extend it across long or rectangular tables, making it perfect for big dinners and gatherings. Heat-resistant trays and a non-slip surface keep everything stable while you serve and share. Peeling tiny fruits one by one can feel like the slowest job in the kitchen. This automatic peeler takes over the work for you. Just drop in grapes, cherry tomatoes, or garlic and press a button. Inside, a gentle rolling system loosens the skins in seconds without crushing the fruit. It's rechargeable, easy to clean, and turns tedious prep into a quick and satisfying task. Imagine having a personal chef that never gets tired. This smart cooking robot handles the entire meal while you relax. Add the ingredients, choose a recipe, and it automatically stirs, heats, and cooks everything for you. Built-in programs guide the process step by step, so your dishes come out perfectly every time. The food-safe pan and containers are dishwasher-friendly, making cleanup just as effortless as the cooking. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.